Namaste, I am Spurti of 9th Chandan, School Chandan Lakshmeshwar, Gadag district, Karnataka in India. Today, entire world, including India, facing a coronavirus crisis. If you understand what is the history of coronavirus, nature of the coronavirus and background of the coronavirus and how it is entered through the body, then we can stop spreading the coronavirus and defeat the coronavirus and control the coronavirus. Corona is an Latin word. How it is come? When we observe through the microscope, but not in this microscope. Transmission electron microscope. I and my brothers and sisters of School Chandan give a brief introduction about characteristics of coronavirus and disease, followed by different names up to COVID-19.
Let us see some classifications of corona. It is unranked virus and it is also known as COVID-19. So let us see its realm.
Its xylem is Riboviria. Its phylum is Enchiridices. Its order is Nidoclarides. Its family is Coronaviridae. Its subfamily is Orthocoronavirus.
In 2003, severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is officially named as a SARS coronavirus. More than 8,000 people were infected and 10% them were died.
In 2012, the new type of coronavirus was identified, that is novel coronavirus. It is officially named as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and it 28 September 2012, the World Health Organization mentioned that the coronavirus is not spreading from one person to another person. So this is not a spreading disease, and it was vigorously spreading in France and Tunisia.
But on 12th May 2013, a case of human-to-human transmission in France was confirmed by WHO.
In 2019, pneumonia outbreak was reported in Wuhan, China, which was traced into the novel as the coronavirus, and it was internamed as the COVID-19 by the World Health Organization and was renamed as the COVID-2 by the International Committee of Taxonomy of Viruses.
On 29 March 2020, there were more than 30,495 confirmed deaths and 6,64,695 confirmed cases of coronavirus. So 96% of coronavirus is related to bad coronavirus. This is the history, background and nature of the coronavirus. This is the most dangerous virus in the world.
We, the brothers and sisters of School Chandan, have done an experiment to compare the nature of coronavirus. Let's see. Now I did not wash my hands and touches the mixture of pepper powder and water. See how the particles of pepper powder attracts the hands. Now I wash my hands and touches the mixture. Look how the particles are dispatched. This is a similar experiment which is conducted by a School Chandan laboratory.
As there is no prescribed medicine for this, the only scientific and medically proved method is that to maintain social distance, to wash our hands frequently, to be self-quarantine, and when we go out from quarantine, please wear the mask like this. Namaste.